Now let's create this connecting rod in SolidWorks. So just we'll enter into here new part. Now to create this connecting rod, first I am going to start with this shape on top plane. So on the top plane we'll go for sketch. We need here center point straight slot like this. Dimension for this we are having radius of 9 and length of 76. Exit sketch. Go for features. Make it isometric. We need to make this extruded boss of height 30. Let's give this height 30 and let's say OK. Next to that, with radius of 27, with this curve we need to remove material. So we'll go for sketch on this front face. Make it normal. By using center point arc, just we'll create one arc like this. And to make it a closed profile, we'll draw one line from end to end point. Then dimension for this we are having radius of 27. Exit sketch, make it isometric. We'll make it here extrude cut up to next. Let's say OK, like this. Then next to that, we are having here double curves, and with these two circles, we are having material with a width of 38. Now again we'll go for sketch on front plane, make it normal. To create this closed profile, just we will go for convert entitles for this inside curve. Let's say OK. One more curve we want outside with a distance of 36. So if we make 36 minus 27, we will get this gap of 9 mm. Directly we can use here offset entitles for this with a distance of 9. Let's say OK. Now to make closed profile, just we will close it with a line. Again from this to this one line. Then along with that we are having here two circles. So just we will create two circles here. Dimension for outer one we are having diameter of 48. For inner one we are having 33.8. Then add relation. This point to origin point we need vertical relation. Let's make it vertical. Dimension from this origin point to this point. As you can see, vertically we are having here 201.2. So just we'll give 201.2. Then exit sketch, make it isometric. Extrude boss by using mid plane. Total width we are having here 38. So let's give this width of 38 and say OK. Next to that, we need to create this center part with width of 18 exactly from center. So again we will go for sketch on front plane, make it normal. Now to create this shape, just we will convert entitles for this outer circle, then this one more curvature, let's say OK. Now we need one line exactly from this circle to this circle. Now same line we need this side, so to make it mirror, just we will create one vertical construction line like this. Mirror entitles, I need to mirror this with reference to this. Let's say OK. Then we are having here dimension from point to point. Horizontally we are having 20. So this point to this point, horizontally we are having here 20. Then angle between line to line we are having here 6 degrees. So line to line we are having inclination of 6 degrees. Then next to that, as you can see here, one curve is there with radius of 40 tangent to this and tangent to this line. So let me create here one 3-point arc from this line to this curvature in this direction. Add relation between line to curve, we need tangent. Clear selection, curve to this curve, we need tangent. Let's say OK. Dimension for this we are having radius of 40. Let's make it 40. Now same curve we need this side, we'll make it mirror with reference to this. Let's say okay. Let's go for trim and trim this unwanted elements. Just trim this unwanted elements here. Then this profile also we don't want. Then exit sketch, make it isometric. With this shape we need to add material by using mid plane with a total width of only 18. Let's give here width of 18 like this. Let's say okay. Then we will go here with this removal of material with this shape with a depth of 4 mm on both sides. Now on this face we will go for sketch, make it normal. Just we will create one straight slot like this. Dimension for slot, as you can see, radius is 8, length we are having 90. So this radius we are having 8 and this length we are having here 90. Then to make that proper position, we don't have any proper dimensions here. So just we will take dimension from this to this. We'll keep it here some 65. Exit sketch, isometric, extrude cut with a depth of only 4 mm. Let's say okay. Same this extrude cut we need in reverse direction. We'll make it mirror with a reference to this front plane. Let's say okay. Like this, on both directions we need to remove material with that slot shape. Then later to that we will go here with fillet of 22.5. So 22.5 of fillet we need for this edge and this edge with radius of 22.5. Let's say okay. Then next to that, as you can see here, radius of 3 mm we are having for this part. So just we will apply here radius of 3 for this. Here, then this side we need only here radius of 3. Let's say okay. Then entire thing we have given here, all details and all parameters we have given. At end we are having here diameter of 9, 2 holes are there. So just we'll create that 2 holes. Again one more radius of 1 mm we are having inside edge. So fillet for this inside one. Again this inside edge we are having here only with radius of 1 mm. Let's say okay. Then at end we will go here with creation of holes with a diameter of 9. So let's go for hole wizard. Legacy hole with a diameter of 9. Depth should be up to next. Position is exactly on this face. With reference to this curvature, we need exactly at center point. Same here also. With reference to curvature, we need exactly at center point. Let's say okay. So like this we can create this connecting rod. So just we'll apply some color for this. Just we'll give some different color like this. Then save it. So in this way we can create this connecting rod. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing.